7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you listening?
Ricky J Sports.
What's up, my fellow YouTubers? This is Ricky J, man. Welcome to another online fight, but this one's going to be a special one because today, people, we are facing off against a fellow subscriber, and this guy's just not any other subscriber. He's a former, high-level Fight Night champion boxer, man, and he's going up against us. And look at this wackiness, man. We are 1-0 with my Ricky J account, and for some reason it's flipped it to 0-1, but I just don't understand that. But here we go. We're facing off against a guy that he's here to actually show me some cool tips on how to be a better boxer. But I said to him, let's do a couple fights before we get going with our practice session. So here we go. Let's see how we do. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. And apparently he's got some voodoo on this game, and I cannot wait to see, what this guy has to offer me to make me a better boxer. There's one of the body. And look at him. He is... Look at him. He's being a little elusive, man. Not a little, a lot. And look at that backdash. Oh, man. We're up against a high-level fighter here. But we gotta... There we go. We gotta just try to fight our fight. And I feel like this fight is gonna go... Oh, man. It's gonna go down to who's going to, implement their game plan, obviously. And who's gonna keep their cool. But knowing me, I'm probably gonna lose my cool. I gotta be more offensive, man. Especially with my output. There we go, baby. Huh?
Up top with the right hand.
There's another one.
Needs to improve that accuracy.
Yeah.
Missed with the headshot. Comes right back at him with a left hand.
Nice, good counters. We can't get reckless against this guy. Oh, nice. His timing. I feel like he's just timing my every move, But I gotta be patient. Win or lose doesn't matter, man. And I'm gonna do more of these where I just come on here and face the subscribers. And I always say from the get-go, man, I'm not here to prove to anyone that I'm some elite virtual boxer. I just want to have fun with the game. Just want to have fun with the game, but nice little round right there. Nice little round. I don't think we got the round, but you know what? We got 9 more rounds, man. We got 9 more rounds to see how we do. But yeah, shoutouts to my buddy Blue Daytona 88. Apparently he's got some secrets, and it's so amazing that he's actually willing to share. And I really want to say to all of you guys out there, thank you so much, really. I'm gonna try to push him. Oh jeez, happened there. But thank you so much for all the advice that you guys give me on a regular basis.
Took a shot, now he gives a left.
But look at this technical boxing match.
More than one
that hook was right there.
That can be damaging.
There we go.
On the wrong end of a destructive uppercut.
Yeah, I gotta float like a butterfly, sting like a bee, brother. His backdash is amazing, how he's doing that.
Good clean shot, returning fire. Well done by Muhammad Ali. Able to block that away. It was targeted for his head. Nichols is not just loading up. He's landing combination punches.
Come on. That was crazy. I love how he did that, but I was trying to push him to open up that block, but I feel like that he knows I'm doing that when he gets close to the cage. And it's not working.
There's the combo to the body. Protecting his
and it really is so refreshing to actually face a guy that is a simulated, he's playing simulation style, not just trying to bang out crazy combos, One of that body, nicely.
Two jabs to the body. Oh, and he returns fire with a left hand.
Oh, it's going for the big leather.
He got hit right there, but he also also gave one. Solid effort by Muhammad Ali.
This is tight. This is so tight. See how he's going. I gotta backdash somehow.
Nichols is well off the mark that time. Carries that punch intended for the head. Just 10 seconds to go here in the second round.
Yeah. Make him miss. Make him miss. And you know the famous cornerman of Ronda Rousey when she lost to Nunes. Kept on screaming at her. You guys remember that when she was getting tagged? He kept on saying, "Make her miss, Ronda, miss, miss, miss." That's like the best strategy, isn't it? No, it's the worst strategy, brother. You don't say that. You say cover up, circle away from the right hand. You know what I mean? But the guy was caught up in the moment. But we were making a miss right there. I really feel like it's 2 rounds in the books for him. I just can't. You know what I got to do? I'm gonna make him follow us, huh? Why don't you follow us? Yeah, taunted him, but look at him, staying technical, isn't he?
Nichols is just looking
Yeah,
to get
pop
it
the
done
jab.
on the back end here, Teddy.
Yeah, he is. He's just waiting
Pop the
to
jab
set
and
a
then back
trap. You know,
away.
he's trying to get
Pop
his
the jab and then
opponent to
back
walk
away.
away and make a miss, and bang,
This is, I'm having a great time, by the way, just playing my subscriber, you know, huh? One of my great subscribers, and learning a few things here and there. What I'm learning here is he loves my body, huh? Loves to rock that body, a la Justin Timberlake.
well, that gives him a better opportunity to
There we
be
go.
effective throughout the night.
We'll just pop that jab, you know?
90
We'll throw that
seconds to
jab
go
out
here in
there.
this round. 2 snapping jabs by Nichols.
Pa, pa, pa. Yeah. Why not, right? Why not? He really is such a counter fighter, which makes it so hard to deal with.
Boy, sharp
You know,
two-punch
guys that are
combination by
aggressive in this
Muhammad
game,
Ali.
they just seem like they're easy to handle just because you could use your, use your good defense, use your footwork. But when guys fight like this, man, it's a chess match. You really gotta figure out how you're gonna get some openings, you know?
He
There we go.
returns the favor with a right hand of his own. He committed to
nice.
the jab.
I want
and
to
he
kind of
brought home the
sidestep
bacon
that
with the
uppercut.
Well done.
There we go. There we go, huh? Huh?
To the head he goes with a left hand.
Really fighting a smart fight. Oh, come on, that was after the bell. I thought we were bros. I thought we were bros, but it's a better round for us, I think. All right, let's flash up the scorecards. Oh yeah, see, look at that, huh? We won that round, so it's pretty pretty even.
Been able to carry the night for him so far. Why so, Teddy?
Well, first of all, he's been able to get it off at the right time. His opponent, that sweet spot. You know, you hear about that in
He's looking for that massive uppercut too. I could. Yeah, see that?
Just as he's starting to get into his range before he can get off.
Good combination
Nice.
by Nichols.
I was trying to catch those uppercuts, but didn't quite work.
What a great
There we
job.
go.
He gave one right back in return. Nice work by Muhammad
There
Ali.
we go, man. This is like the Thriller in Manila. I just love saying that.
And now he's targeting upstairs.
You know, every time he leans back like that, I'm going to the body. Here, see that? Why not, huh? I could rock that body too, big boy.
Halfway through round number 4. See him trying to cut down that
Yeah,
tree
but
with
Blue,
a
man, this
well-placed
guy
right
is,
hand.
he's a legend in this game, in my opinion. Played the game a bunch back in the day, and he actually got the game back because after watching my videos, I'm noticing a trend that a lot of you guys are doing that. So that's kind of cool. We're like the Undertaker, man. We're bringing back this game, you know?
Ricky, you will rest in peace.
Muhammad Ali is almost looking foolish that time he missed so
Oh,
badly.
gotta be careful.
shot blocked.
Gotta be careful. I
Nichols
want to
is
kind of
really
roll
impressing
under,
us
but
here.
you know,
Defensively
that's a
impressive.
deadly
I mean,
thing to
so
do.
easy to say, wow,
You know,
look at
to
the
duck
punching,
under
look
like
at the
that when
power.
this guy's loading
But
up on
Teddy,
those
you gotta
uppercuts.
appreciate what he's
Oh,
doing
come
with
on! How did that
Yeah,
not
well,
land?
that's one of the reasons why
Nice.
you can say that you appreciate, you know.
Oh,
the
you kind of
aggression or
tagged
the
us there.
power and all these things. He can afford to be aggressive because he doesn't get hit.
Yeah, that was not our round. That was not our round.
I like the way he looked
gotta
at
clear
the
my
end of that
throat.
round. Looks like he's gaining some momentum here.
I don't think that was our round,
And I do believe
but I
that
think,
he's
let's
up
be
on the
honest, I was doing
scorecard.
too much yapping that round, man. I gotta bear down. Huh? I gotta shake it off a little bit. Gotta shake it off a little bit here.
And we are back underway. Another round
Let's
in
go.
a fight.
Nice,
That's
good
been
start for
very
him.
entertaining, but I wouldn't want to be a judge. This is one of those fights that could go either way. Oh, and he's got something for him himself, and it's a left hand.
I'm not gonna talk too much this round. I'm gonna bear down, baby. Huh?
Good flush shot by
I'm
Kobe
gonna bear
Nichols.
down and see what we could do.
Targeting that jab with the right
See
hand
if I can get him to overcommit on something, huh? Do something out of his character.
That is a
There,
sharp
oh.
uppercut by Kobe Nichols.
Nice. I thought we hit him with something there.
Nichols is
There we go,
something
baby,
coming
huh?
back at him. A
Let's go.
counterpunch scored. A sharp jab by
Again, I don't
Muhammad
want to
Ali.
be sitting in the pocket exchanging with this guy. That's not me. That is not
Nichols'
me.
ability so far to not have to engage in any battles has
There we
served him
go.
very well. His smart, skillful boxing
But I love
is
how
controlling this fight.
Yeah, he's played into
he's
his
making him
strengths.
chase
He's played
us,
very well,
but
and he's stayed away
like, I
from
don't
the
know. Do I
strengths
make
of
him
his
chase,
opponents and work
or we're
towards
chasing
the
him?
weaknesses
Excuse
of
me.
his opponent.
But I wonder, like, do we get him
Not hitting his mark there, going
to
up
chase
there.
us at one round or
Nichols is
two?
fighting real smart
You know what I
here on the
mean?
outside.
Really feel like it's kind of dialing into his style, us hunting him down, you know?
Nothing there on the punch by
Oh,
Nichols.
jeez, can't be doing that. Can't be doing that. There we go,
Muhammad
double
Ali's
uppercut.
combination punching
Oh,
is
come
working
on,
well
how did
here.
that straight not land? It's getting intense now. Nice.
Nichols' right hand working well that
Oh,
time.
nice shot to
Scored
the
well.
gut. Forcing me to backpedal.
Just like that.
Nice, good round.
Ali's last round
If you guys
to
see
me
something
had
that I'm not doing, man,
his
by all
accuracy
means,
way
hammer
off the
it
mark,
in the
throwing
comment
punches,
section. I
but
really
lost the
appreciate it.
round.
I
Joe,
love
talk
sitting
about being
down
off the mark. If you're traveling
and
outside
looking
your
through the
laws, you need a
comments
map
and
to
trying
find
to
your way. He
put all
needs a
those
map right now
amazing,
to find his
you know,
way. He needs
tips
some
in my
direction.
memory bank.
Takes one, but gives one. Good work by Muhammad Ali. Doubling up the jab by Nichols.
Nice.
Nichols is making
I just
for
feel
a
like
tough
he's
target
now
there.
kind of
He gets
pulling
away
away
from that
here.
punch.
Let's be honest.
Blocks the headshot. Ali's in a tough spot right here. He feels that his strategy and his
Yeah, our
style
strategy's
is to fight
not
on the
working.
outside.
That's the problem.
These middle rounds are being marked down on the
There we
ledger
go.
for his opponent.
Yeah, Joe, I'd argue with you. How do you know it's his strategy? He's not
Yeah.
acting like it's his strategy.
Good point.
I think I
Yeah,
gotta
it should
roll
be
the
his
dice and
strategy,
kind
but
of
so far has not
just
been.
throw a little bit more, man. Yeah, hook to the body.
A good, clean, old 1-2 by Muhammad Ali.
Kind of. I may try to go back to that
Commits to the
that
straight
push
right.
too when I get him. Here we go. See, that didn't kind of didn't work.
From Muhammad Ali.
Oh, nice. He's willing. I like how he's willing to kind of sit in the pocket exchange and then he backs away. He's really changing up his timing.
He tried to nab him up top, but was unable to connect.
Gotta throw that jab bit more right there.
And now committing to that midsection as the target with the combination punching.
Nice. He's just. Oh man, he's just kind of getting away from my shots to the body, man. See that? I just can't get at him
Timing that double
as
jab
much
to
as
the
I
head.
want.
And now he's acting like a fighter. Coming back with the right hand after getting scored upon.
Oh, come on.
Is having a field day, Teddy. That left hand lands again.
Well, he keeps moving the wrong direction.
Just a technical boxing display by Blue Daytona, man. Good round on his part. We're gonna have to. We may have to try something different. You know, maybe roll the dice on something here, huh? But hopefully they're gonna flash the. Oh, they're not flashing the cards.
Because he's calm, he has good technique, and that is why he's right on the mark.
But this is cool to actually face a guy with this type of skill, man. There's levels to this game.
And that had some bite to it, that right hand by Nichols.
Keep moving, keep moving. Left and right.
Yeah, hit him with one there, but he's just not giving us enough openings. Holy cow, man, this is...
You got this one.
I gotta say, man, this is an unbelievable experience. Just being in the moment right here. Dealing with this guy.
By Muhammad Ali. Nichols is doing very nicely on the outside here in this fight.
Nice. I'm trying to get it back. But let's see, you know what? I'm going to see if he's going to come after us. Huh? Come on. Let's go. Look, he's not... Look at this guy. He's not falling out of his game plan. You know? Look at him. Come on. Come on.
Well,
Come on, baby.
I mean, look, Joe, it's kind of like standing out in the rain.
Let's go.
With an umbrella and
Let's go.
Let's
go, brother. Huh?
You're standing there under the umbrella and say, why am I getting wet?
Let's go.
You're standing there covering up.
Come on.
They're coming from the side. They're coming from
Come on.
You're going to get wet.
You're not always protected.
Look at him. He doesn't want to get in there. Oh, yeah.
Right,
That's our best shot.
I like how he doubles
That's our best shot. Let's see if he's going to over... Oh, man, see. That was a quick window, and I missed it. Kind of disappointed in myself, but...
Scores well to the head with the right hand.
Yeah.
Coming towards the end of the 7th round, 10 seconds to go. Ali with a big left. Well off the mark by Muhammad Ali.
Yeah, nice shot at the end. It ain't over, man. Even though we're down on the cards, it ain't over. But I gotta say, man, the discipline on Blue Daytona is just out of this world, man. Doesn't wanna... I kind of tried to Anderson Silva him there, you know? I'm like, come on, man. For me, you got to come down. Wow, I only have one round. Holy cow, we got to make it nasty. We're going to go down on our shield. We got to make this nasty.
They're a special person, but somebody needs to tell him it's okay to move your head once in a while.
Unable to score with the uppercut that time. Ali's... Oh, Teddy, this has got to drive his trainer crazy because he's leaving himself wide open with these sweeping
We got to make this nasty. We got to make this fight a nasty one. But every time I get hit with a counter shot, I'm like, maybe I should just back up. Jeez.
Ali smashed by another uppercut.
Oh.
And now he's targeting upstairs.
It's like he's trying to go for the finish. Oh, come on.
90 seconds to go, halfway through round 8.
See, Ali's really loading up on that shot, man.
Nichols is showing that he's got some deep.
I gotta just touch him, man. I can't be looking for that one shot.
2 jabs up top.
Let's go. Oh no! Oh no! No!
Oh, he's hurt right there. He is hurt. You know, his opponent's doing a good job of just being patient.
Oh no! Oh, down he goes! It looked like... Oh my gosh, it kind of looked like that he was running out of gas, and I tried to fire back. Oh, I should have stayed for the... I was trying to fire back, and then he got me good. Oh man, that was a mistake on my part. It looked like he was just kind of unloading the tank on me, and I was trying to pull what I did against Isaac Frost in that other online fight. Remember that? Oh man, but good on him. I was really trying to counter with that Wonder Boy shot, but it wasn't meant to be. Unbelievable. But here we go. 2 more rounds to go.
Ali's coming out here after being knocked down in the last round. Teddy, what are some of the things you look for that will tell you he's on steady ground, that he looks fine?
Well, the first thing you look for is the base, the
battered, bruised, but not beaten. That's like the ultimate combat sport line, isn't it?
There's cinder blocks there. You know, you don't want to see that upper floor waving a little when there's a wind. You're looking at his legs. You want to make sure that they're steady, they're firm. Keep moving, keep moving.
Jeez.
He missed with that headshot.
It's either we're getting knocked out, we're not going to or we're going to get some crazy Cinderella story ending, but we're not going to the judges, man. I just feel like we're obviously down on the cards. I'm starting to throw some bombs. I have to, brother, I have to. I really have to.
That's great stuff. He fires one right back after
nice.
taking one. Gotta love the work by Kobe Nichols.
Let's see if he he doesn't want to overcommit on his shots. Look at him. Is he gonna overcommit?
Ali's doing what every trainer wants to see their fighter do. Land punches in bunches. The combination lands.
This is nuts. Just the discipline here. You gotta respect that, man. You really do.
A crushing 2-punch combo by Muhammad Ali. Nichols is in a good rhythm defensively here. Teddy, what is that? A credit to his ability to anticipate?
You know, also it's the teaching. Let's give the trainers credit. Of course, let's give his background of the amateurs credit. But
look at this
he
guy.
learned how to get away from punches. This is
technique. Good round, man. Good round. But we made it to the 10th round. You know what? I gotta say, all craziness aside, this is kind of like a feather in my cap to make it this far, but you know, obviously this guy's at a totally different level, but we're gonna go down on our shield here. We're gonna go nuts. We made faceplant. We made faceplant here at the end of this fight, but we're gonna try to go in there, fight a little bit out of my element, and look, Blue Daytona sent me a message. But much love to him, man, and much love to all of you guys, man, for watching. If you're still sticking around this deep into the video.
The final round is here. That's a forceful 2-punch.
Here we go, going down on our shield, brother. Huh? Down on the old shield.
Well upstairs with the right hand.
Let's go. You don't want to throw? Huh? Don't want to throw? Let's see if he throws something. I'm trying to lean back and then counter with a heavy straight. I haven't been able to land that the whole fight.
See, he's got his guard up really well that time, and it protects his head.
Jeez, he's just not giving us anything, man. Nice. And you're probably saying to yourself, Rick, man, unload. I'm trying. Like, it's hard, man. Maybe we can get him closer.
Halfway through this 10th and final round.
Wow.
Body shot, left hand. Nice block that time. It was intended to the head. He just missed that shot up top. Muhammad Ali's got
you can tell I'm going into silent mode. Try hard mode is on. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. But this is where you could tell you're dealing with a pro fighter, man. He's not inviting any of my antics the whole fight. Nothing.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Didn't invite any of my antics this whole fight. You know, I tried to do whatever I could to get him to fight out of his element.
breakaway body.
Oh no! Oh no! And what a gentleman. He doesn't go for it. But what a fight. Yeah, this is a guy that is just unreal, man. But what a fight. Respect to him. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I don't even know what I'm going to call it, but dealing with a legendary Fight Night champion boxer that was so disciplined, so technical, and he got the W. I think we only got one round. We got only probably one round the whole fight. Yeah, we did. At least all three judges believe that we did get round 3, but it was a fantastic unanimous decision by Blue Daytona. Much respect, brother, and I can't wait to learn from you, man. Holy smokes. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to this subscriber battle. Can't wait to do more of these in the future for sure. Much love, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.